Welcome back. Hello student. Are you ready? I am going to discuss capacitor. Capacitor is such an arrangement in which the capacitance of a conductor increased by bringing another conductor near to it. This is conductor A. I have brought a conductor B uncharged and earth conductor to increase the capacitance of conductor A. This is the basic principle of the capacitor. In capacitor arrangement, the increase in capacitance of conductor due to the decrease in potential. When another uncharged earth conductor brought near to it, the capacitance of conductor A on given charge plus Q to increase potential V, then V is equal to Q by V. This is the capacitance of conductor A. But when we brought uncharged conductor and earth conductor near to A, then negative charge induced inner plate of the conductor B and outer positive charge induced on conductor B, which goes in the earth due to the earthing of conductor B. Remain negative charge on B inside, which reduce the potential of the conductor A. Thus, here when uncharged earth conductor B brought near to conductor A, it lowered the potential A as before. V. More charge can given to it. Now more charge can given to E. Then we can say the capacitance of conductor A can be increased. The capacitance of A further can be increased. C dash equal to Q dash by V dash. Therefore, V dash is less than V due to the negative charge of the conductor V. Therefore, to bring, we can give more charge Q dash. Hence, C dash is greater than C. This arrangement in which sufficient charge can be accumulated is called a capacitor without increase in size of conductor. Without increase in size of conductor. This is basic principle. If any confusion, please you may ask the question here. Now, capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Capacitance of capacitor. Suppose X, Y are two plates of capacitor, parallel plate X and Y. Let X and Y are two plates of parallel plate or parallel plate two parallel plate of capacitor, two parallel of capacitor. Let let charge density B plus sigma and minus sigma on X and Y plates. Distance between them B D. This is plus sigma minus sigma. Outer charge move in the earth to the earth thing. Electric field intensity between the plate. Electric field between plates of capacitor sigma upon K epsilon naught, where K dielectric constant of medium. Potential difference sigma equal to, you know that A equal to Q upon K epsilon A, where sigma equal to charge per unit surface area. A, the area of plate. A, area of plate. Potential difference between plates V equal to ED, V equal to Q upon K epsilon A into D. Q by V equal to K epsilon naught A by D according to definition. This is the capacitance K epsilon naught A by D. For vacuum, K equal to 1, C naught equal to epsilon naught A by D. This is expression for capacitance or parallel plate capacitor. Now, you write down. From this, it is very clear that first, C is directly proportional to the area of plate. Second, C directly proportional to the dielectric constant of medium, and C inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. This is a first derivation. With dielectric set between plates. With dielectric slab between plates. This is also parallel plate plus sigma plus 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 plus.